Hi, I'm Keith Bobrosky, President of Delta Scientific Corporation, and today I'm here to talk to you about Delta's HD300 model vehicle barrier system. This M50 rated vehicle barrier system will stop a 15,000-pound truck traveling at 50 miles an hour with zero penetration. It has a very shallow 24-inch depth. It can be sold in 9-foot wide to 16-foot wide barrier widths and can be operated hydraulically or electromechanically, as you see here. This unit is sold and installed at hundreds of high security locations, including the U.S. State Department embassies and consulates, various classified petrochemical locations, as well as Texas Rangers Ballpark. Follow me as I go into more depth with this vehicle barrier system so you can specify it for your facility for the best value for your customer. Debris screen comes standard along with LED lights and can be colored and color schemed to the style of your choice for your specification. This is made custom for ACP military locations, but any type of stripes and colors are available. With the prop rod installed for safety to make sure the vehicle barrier can't move, I'm going to go around and show you how easy it is to lift the skirt of this vehicle barrier to gain access to the electromechanical actuator. You can clean out debris. You can clean out drainage systems, lubricate and inspect fasteners, and ensure proper maintenance is being performed. Ambidextrous access control boxes are provided. This here can be fastened to the right or left of the barrier, depending on where your infrastructure conduit come in, and allow tons of room to make all your terminations and hydraulic or electrical connections as need be. 1.25-inch thick access plates are provided standard, allows easy access to the actuator and all maintenance points and connections. 1.5 second EFO, that's emergency fast operation speed, is standard on this unit. This is coupled with a very elaborate ACP or access control point sequence and controls that have a 2-second timer that you'll hear once Edgar behind me triggers EFO. The timer will wait 2 seconds for secure vehicles to pass in an emergency. The sequence of lights flashing and solid red lights will come on, stopping vehicles, and then safely deploying EFO speed in 1.5 seconds per client specification. Here we have Delta Scientific's proprietary access control point technology. This is touchscreen primary panel. We have lockout, tagout maintenance panels, EFO push button panels for outside of the guard booth for quick access for emergencies. And we have Overwatch and guard booth panels, all Delta Scientific, very complex access control point technology that's exclusively for Army and Air Force locations and customers.